Hello friends, today I will share some secrets of Pacific Ocean. This is the part 1 of my video. Today I will tell some of the facts and later I will discuss more. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please go and subscribe it. And do not forget to click on the notification bell for my upcoming videos. Also, if you like my video, then please share it with your friends. The Pacific Ocean is the largest, deepest, and the warmest ocean. That is why it is called the Great Ocean also. The highest wind waves form in it. The most destructive tropical hurricanes and tsunamis in the world rage in this ocean only. The largest mountains in the world are located in the center of the Pacific Ocean. These are giant volcanoes that rise from a depth of 5,000 meters and rise another 4,000 meters into the sky. There are more than 10,000 mountains hidden underwater, but most of them are extinct volcanoes. Have you ever heard about the Tamil Massif? It is the largest underwater volcano in the world. It is about 4.5 kilometers tall and 2 kilometers below the sea level. Did you know about the Great Barrier Reef? It is the longest group of coral reefs in the world. This reef is so huge that you can even see it from the space. More than 3,800 species of fish live here in Pacific Ocean. There are more than 23 major port cities on the shores of Pacific Ocean, which includes Los Angeles, Nagasaki, Auckland and San Francisco also. There are about 20,000 to 30,000 islands in the Pacific Ocean. This is almost 5 times more than the stars in the sky that can be seen with the naked eye. Did you know that half of the world's total fish catch is caught in the Pacific Ocean only? So friends, these are some interesting secrets about the Pacific Ocean. In my next video, I will tell you the dwellers of the Pacific Ocean. So just wait and watch my next video. And if you like this video, then please share it with your friends. Till then, bye-bye.